Finally, I'm out of prison. Oh yeah, so we've done these two plug and plays. Now it's time to do the last thing I got. It's this little cartridge that goes inside this one. So, I plug it in. Let's play the game. Alright, let's start the game. Ooh, that's new. Jack Specific. Hope they make plug and plays once again one day. 2005. Wow. So this cartridge has only like about 2 games in it. New Rally X, if you remember from the first plug and play, and Dig Dug again. So let's do New Rally X first, since it seems to be like the new thing for me nowadays. Let's do this. Ooh, this sounds better. This sounds so much better than the previous one. Oh, but I died already. I am so far away. Now I'm just out of control for a moment. Okay, that just happened. Okay, I almost got all of them. Just gotta get this last one. No! Okay, hopefully. Yes. One life. Last second. Last chance. Yes! We made it to at least the first round. Thank goodness. Oh, not as two. Well, I do have to say that this version is a million times better than the previous one. I will give it that. But I died. Oh, so that sucks. Oh, and also, after I just finished the game, this just happened. I don't know if that was normal. This is weird. And I mean really weird. But if there's anything that I want nowadays to come back, besides Gex, I want Rally X to come back for reboot. Hey, the other game, Dig Dug. Let's just get this over with. Seems like these two are just recurring. Whoa, that's a better intro than the first one. I'm impressed. It even has Nameco on top. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's do this. I still have no idea who that guy's supposed to be. Oh, I knew I would die. I hate that. You gotta hurry. Oh no, you ain't. Oh, he already left. Alright, round 2. Hopefully I won't die again like last time. Okay, gotta get these other ones. Oh no, you ain't. I know what you're trying to do. You ain't going nowhere, punk. I'm getting better at this game than before. I'm glad about that. Oh, you trying to come at me just because I killed your brother? Don't worry, you're next. It's always a little friend. Take that. And you? Oh no, don't you dare think you're going anywhere. Oh, well I guess he got away. Yeah, this might be a while. This is bad. Oh, and I do mean really bad. Oh, the game broke down. So I guess these two plug and plays are not really worth it. You should just get this plug and play just so you could play this one. Cause this cartridge, it's the best plug and play I've played yet. But who knows? Maybe I might play some more plug and play sometime in the future. In the meantime, don't forget about plug and plays, please. Anyways, gotta unplug this finger before it explodes. Beep. What? Beep. Oh. Gotta get the camera. Well, at least it didn't happen this way.